Hi everyone, this is Divya from Venkateshwar School. In today's session, we are going to study about tissues, difference between animal tissue and plant tissue, meristematic tissue.
Tissue. Tissue is a group of cells that are similar or dissimilar in structure but similar in origin, which work together to perform a particular function. Examples of tissues are blood, phloem, muscles, etc. Tissues organize to form organs and organs organize to form organ systems. Now the difference between plant and animal tissues. As we all know, plants do not move from one place to another. So most of the cells of the tissue in plants provide mechanical support and strength. So most of the tissues of plants are dead. The growth of plants takes place only in some regions. So plants have tissues called meristematic tissues, which divide and help in growth, and permanent tissues which do not divide. Animal tissues. Animals move from one place to another and need more energy than plants. So most of the cells and tissues in animals are living. The growth of animals is more uniform. So animals do not have separate dividing and non-dividing cells. Now the plant body is made up of various kinds of cells which cluster together to form tissues in order to perform specific functions. All the plant organs like roots, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits are made up of different kinds of tissues to perform specific function. Plant tissues are mainly of two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues, these are of three types, apical, intercalary and lateral meristem tissue. Permanent tissues are of two types, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues are again of three types, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissues are of two types, xylem and phloem. Now let's study about the meristematic tissue. The cells of meristematic tissues are similar in structure. They have thin cellulosic cell wall. Each cell contains dense and abundant cytoplasm with large nucleus. They contain few or no vacuoles. They are metabolically active. These cells grow and divide repeatedly. On the basis of their position or location in plant body, meristematic tissues are of three types. Apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue, and intercalary meristematic tissue. Now, apical meristems, these are situated at the growing tips of stems and roots, that is at shoot and root apex. They are also found in the apices of the leaves. It brings about the elongation of root and stem. Hence, they increase the height of the plant. So they are known as, which is known as primary growth. Now, lateral meristems, they occur on sides and help in increasing the girth of the stem. This is called secondary growth. Intercalary meristems, it is located at the base of the leaves or internodes. Example, stems of grasses and other monocots. It also helps in growth of leaves and elongation of internodes. Now the functions of meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissue is the parent tissue from which other tissues develop. It takes part in growth of the plant and repair of injured tissues by forming new cells. Plants continue to produce new leaves, new branches, flowers, fruits, root hair, and root branches due to the activity of meristematic cells. Thank you.